What is up, everyone? This is Evil Neko again. Today we're playing some more Ratchet and Clank on the PS2. And I was having some weird technical difficulties earlier, so all should be good, hopefully. Okay, that should be better. Yeah, hopefully, I don't know. I'm still tweaking with the audio configuration. The first video didn't really sound that great to me, but playing it back sounded alright. Second, I want to say similar situation.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drek.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Okay. So basically, go fight big giant robo bastard. Got it. Hopefully this time I don't lose controls, because this is the third time I'm attempting to record this, and both times I've lost my right walking control. So like I'm walking straight, I'm walking back, walking to the left. I can walk to the right now. Awesome. Hopefully it stays like this for a while. Any new guns? No.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Dude, I fucking love you. You're amazing. But I have to go. I just like his voice. I just like his voice. That's about it. I wonder if I can jump off this and die. Probably, but let's not test that right now, actually. This way? I think so. Okay, so I guess I can't talk to you. So the only thing I can think of is to go back to the ship and figure out from there. Yeah, well, theoretically. We'll see. Where is the ship anyway? They're here probably? Who knows? I don't remember. Which is weird because I'm recording and uploading each episode once a week. At least for now. Oh, it was here. Because for the time being, I'm gonna go do once a week uploads. And mostly it's gonna be with Ratchet and Clank for now. Maybe once I figure out the next game I'm gonna work on, we'll probably go from there. Alright, so that's all done. Still need to bring him the prize. And that's all done. Shit. To the next planet. Confront Robot Lieutenant. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard.
Yes, quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
I like your voice actor, but I hate your character. Therefore, I want to punch you in the face. With a sharp object. No, unfortunately, only a wrench. Alright. Suck it, robo-fucker. No, hold on. Grab some bolts. I want to see what's here at the shop. Before I continue on doing anything else. Hey, new gun.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Glove of Doom. I see that, but I want to know what it does. It just says Glove of Doom. I'm curious. Oh fuck. I'll have the Glove of Doom, one way or another. I will murder every single bot I find until I have it. That came close to exploding on my face. Oh, just blaster. Oh shit. I forgot that was a thing. Oh, I found a golden bolt. Dude, can I reach that? I think I can. Ah, I can. Gold bolt acquired. What do they even do anyway? I'm curious. We'll go gadgets. Okay, not there apparently. Quick select? Oh, shit. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. I don't. Okay, so we got the hoverboard. We have one gold bolt, but can't be used here. I remember picking up a skill point in the last world, in the last episode. Still have yet to figure out what that does, and I'm not gonna look it up right now. Only because I don't want to know what it does yet, until we start progressing more into the game's story. Probably when it comes to, well, probably like close to end game. Then I'm gonna start collecting a lot of shit, and that's gonna kill me. Hey, murder! Yeah, luckily I get to keep all the bolts still. You're a fuckhead. Eat my rich, motherfucker! Okay, that was just terrible. I apologize to anyone's... Yeah, fucking hell. I apologize to anybody's ears and possibly future me's hearing. If I did any sort of damage. Fuck yourself. Ow. Asshole! I'm trying to give you a nice, lovely bomb from my glove, and yet you kill me. I swear that's traversable. Damn it. I am determined. And plus, if anything, I get extra bolts out of this, so fuck it. Might as well. The fact that actually kind of worked to a certain extent. I mean, I really shouldn't be surprised because fire can, well, depending on how hot the fire is, can melt metal. But depending on certain metals, some metal, if I'm not mistaken, have really insane melting temperatures. Damn it. Okay. I've tried everything I can at the moment. Nothing is traversable. So now we must go the proper way of traversing said level. So I'm gonna kick all. So I'm gonna beat. Jesus Christ! Again. Still going to defeat every bot I see because I want that glove of doom. One way or another, I will figure out a way to get it. And I don't care how many bots I gotta murder in the process. It will be mine. Okay, I just realized that it's not, my mic's not picking up all the fucking. Hold on. Hopefully that doesn't come very. I don't know. I can't think of the word. I can't think of the word now. But I just hope my controller sound doesn't come clearly, very clearly through the audio. I really need to look into what is it, Audacity or some shit, and finding a way to sync audio and just do it that way. Yay, more bolts. I'll take them. You know what? I'm actually kind of curious. I'm gonna do one on-screen thing here. Not properties. Filters? I'll figure it out. What I'll probably do is, 'cause I'm recording this on Sunday. I should have this edited, at least, well, the start and end of the video trimmed, so that should be I should get that done by Monday, if not Tuesday. And then in the remainder of the week, I'm gonna look into getting Audacity or some other audio recording program. Get that tweaked so where it's not picking up my controller or my breathing or anything. Explode. There you go. I will happily take all the bolts you are willing to give. I do wonder at what point throughout the game do we start getting armor and clothes, because I'm sorry, but Ratchet, your feet are just weird. Yay, more bolts. I'll take it. Explode. Thank you. I hear guns. I see people. I must smack with a wrench. Thank you. In the cooperation, that is your death. Ow. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me, do not touch me. Ow, you fucking bastard. Yes, all the bolts. Run away. Smack. There we go. Back to full health. Run away. Oh, 57,000 or 1,100. My bad. We're getting close. We are getting really close to that, what, 7,500 mark? Need for the glove of doom. I want that glove of doom, and I will get the glove of doom. Alright, what's up here? Plenty of bolt grabbing opportunities, I see. And also, I should probably also mention, there's a handful of games I got cooking up in the back burner for gameplays. I'm either going to do Dark Souls, Crash Bandicoot Twinsanity, or Hitman Blood Money, or possibly, if I feel like it, one of the newer Hitman games, not Absolution. It's one of those. I can't think of what they really are. It's just Hitman 1, 2, and 3 now. It's the most recent ones. I know 3, at least on PC, is only on Epic Games. I can still get 1 and all of its DLC on PC. Same goes for 2. I've seen gameplay of them. I'm half tempted to just spring for grab all the DLC for it, if I can get it for a reasonable price. You know, I'm tempted to go play that. Crash Twinsanity, that's a game I've been kind of wanting to play for a while. Haven't really played that game in years. I don't remember how long ago I've last played that game. But one game I was going to do originally was Malice, but I'm having problems with that game for some strange reason. I'm not sure why. So it's either going to be Crash Twinsanity, Dark Souls, or some formula of a Hitman game. Haven't decided yet. Though if I do decide to go do Dark Souls, I am going to be doing it with a little bit of a twist. I have a program called Poke. It is an amazing little program. I forgot I need to do this jump thing that I forget what it's called. Now with Poke, for some who don't know, it's like Cheat Engine. It's a value changer program. I don't what the fuck. I somehow fucked that up. Now, Poke basically, it changes values in games. It mainly works for single player games. But I got bored and I said fuck it, and I messed around with my one account in Dark Souls. I've already beaten the game before, and the way I say it, I will not mod or cheat games that are single player unless I've already beaten them through once, which I have with Dark Souls. And oh my god, I made my own character max level and shit. My character does not know how to die, apparently. Well, with the exception of falling off the map and into your own death. Boss hits, regular enemy hits, nothing. So, and on top of that, I also capped my health off with Poke. I think my health at max in Dark Souls right now is 2280. So I had that value locked, and I could not. Nothing could kill me. The only way I can theoretically die in Dark Souls with my HP with my HP capped the way it is would be if I either took fall damage or not fall damage, if I fell off the world, or an enemy were to deal damage over 2,280, which I've yet to encounter any enemy that can do such a thing. And I think these rocks are on some major LSD or some shit. Why does haven't finished two? Nope, nothing. Okay. Oh, that was worth a shot. And also, I might go do just for shits and gigs. It's kind of like a spin-off kind of series that's not, well, mainstream but not mainstream. It's not gonna be a main focused game. That is some Call of Duty Zombies Easter eggs. Because I just got done doing Die Machine, or however the fuck you pronounce it. I pronounce it as Damn Machine, or not actually, not. It's not like that. There's a way you say die in German. I just can't remember how to do it. It was on the tip of my tongue before, and I just can't remember now. You know what? I'm gonna do this just in case. I don't feel like repeating all this. But there's a way to say die in German in a certain, kind of a specific way. I can't remember how it was said, but I said it at one point when I was doing the Easter egg, and I got through it. It's just escaping my fucking tongue. But basically, on Die Machine, because that's how I'm going to say it from now on, apparently, I just got done doing that, and I hate to admit it, but that is the only Zombies Easter egg I've ever been able to do, because until Black Ops 3 came out, I never really cared about doing the Easter eggs. My only care when it came to Black Ops Zombies was seeing how high around I can go. But now seeing Black Ops 3 Zombies, Infinite Warfare Zombies, Cold War Zombies, World War II, and there was one other game in there, I can't remember. But basically, Black Ops 3 going forward when it comes to the Easter eggs in those games and shit, I kind of want to go back and do them all. I have almost every COD, at least on PC. The only CODs I think I'm missing, at least mainly, well, actually, hold on. I think the only CODs I'm missing on PC is 1, 2, 3. Black Ops 1 and regular Modern Warfare, like the original COD 4 Modern Warfare. I do believe those are the only two I'm missing, and where the fuck am I supposed to go from here? I have a map. I do. Oh shit. So there's something here. Okay. I'll figure it out. Some way, somehow, I'll figure something out. Whether it be the right thing, the wrong thing, or the what the fuck thing. That looks like where I need to go, but I'm feeling stupid. Oh shit, hold on. Shit. Wait, what? There was a bolt there? What is over here? Damn it. I have a bad idea. Damn it. Yeah, there's just a random bolt there. Okay. Oh, okay, fine. Oops.
Why not try try Gadgetron's Glove of Doom. This life-saving gadget lets you attack your enemies from a safe distance with tiny killer robots. Grab one now at a Gadgetron vendor.
I messed up something. Okay. That's what I did. Oh, shit. Okay. Before I go around that, I'm curious. Yeah, there's just a random bolt stuck in there. I don't know if that was just because of the boxes or what the fuck happened. But, okay. Enough fucking around. We're gonna go where we're supposed to go. I was curious. And always remember, if it looks like a place you can reach, try to go for it because you never know what the hell can happen. Let's just say I kind of gained some new inspiration and crazy desires from Greystone Plays and Golf with Friends. So in short, kind of expect me to go do stupid shit in games for stupid reasons. Ow, you fucknut. Die. Have a bomb or two. Okay, I need help now. I see a gun. Fuck. Yay, more bolts. I have 9,000 bolts. Holy shit. What the fuck's this?
Sweet.
This is either a gun or a tool.
Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
I feel like I know what this gun is. I feel like I've used the newer version of this gun in Up Your Arsenal. I can't remember though. I don't know. Oh well. Fear my cannon of suckitude. That was just weird. Hey, okay. Okay, so now I have to go down this way, which I didn't realize there was a second direction. I keep forgetting there's two directions on almost on every planet so far. Wait. Oh, that's where I was trying to get to. Okay, that makes sense. Now, can I buy the Glove of Doom? After I get some health.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Give me your Glove of Doom. What does this do? Oh, that's amazing. I have little minions. Come, minions. We shall ruin the world. Okay, here's a question. How the fuck do I get... I guess it goes here. Wait, do they explode? They explode! I have found my new favorite toy. In all of Ratchet and Clank. I feel like there's two ways of going around here. Wait, hold on. What's up through here first? Oh wait, no, this is just extra bolts. Okay. So this is the way I'm supposed to go.
Use your Gadgetron.
Okay, I forget how to do this. Okay, I actually can't use the D-pad. For a second I thought I couldn't. I was just using the analog stick like a fucking dumbass. Oh, minions! Oh, they're all dead. Fuck! They all exploded. Yeah, well, I'll make more. Gate. Okay. I see a bolt. I can only go one direction. Oh, that's lame. And we're using this thing again. Okay. And for a second, I forgot how these bolts work. Wait, is there extra shit around here? I see a ledge up there I want to go to. I feel like I have a feeling that's where I'm going to anyway. So I'm not going to be a dumbass and try to pull a stupid way to get over there. Yeah, I figured. Though it would have been fun to attempt. But I feel like a lot of people probably wouldn't enjoy that too much. Yeet. Wait a minute. Then what's the point of having that orb over there if it's... Okay, never mind. Nope, not the swing shot. Damn it. There we go. What the hell was the point of the other thing? Eh, just because I'm stupid. Explode! Hell yeah. Oh, give me all your shiny bolts. Did he just shit out an infobot?
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am?
Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
Are we just not gonna ignore the fact that that robot shot out another robot? At least as far as I'm aware. 'Cause I was drinking some iced tea, and all I see was an infobot just drop out of his ass. And we're moving on now. Oops.
Greeting.
Wait, what did I hit? Oh, yeah, that one. Actually, I'll probably show up once we get into the ship, then I suppose.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Top that off. Maxed out. Maxed out.
That's a real beauty.
Alright, we should go on ammo now. We are all maxed out and perfect. Well, let's see where we gotta go now. Then we'll end it. Because I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, so I am not. So, alright, so this is where we gotta go next. But we're not gonna do it today. But that is going to be the end of this video. Hope you all enjoy. What is this, episode 3 now? I'm gonna once I get this done and edited and possibly uploaded, I'm gonna go look into getting this audio situation sorted out, and then probably gonna see about starting up a second series on the channel. Hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos. I guess right now I'm only uploading once a week. See you later.